Allow me to introduce our state-of-the-art, computerized Servo hydraulic universal testing machine, available in 1,000 and 2,000 kilonewtons. This versatile system is designed for tensile strength testing of steel materials. It is capable of evaluating tensile specimens and rebars, and with additional accessories, it can also test bolts and nuts. It features hydraulically operated tensile grips for superior performance. These controllers manage the upper clamp, lower clamp, upper limit, and lower limit. The upper frame moves up and down, while the lower position can be used for compression tests. The system employs a high-precision load cell to measure testing force and an encoder to measure displacement. With an Extensometer, the machine can also perform elongation measurement tests. This is the power pack and computer system. Here is the controller box, which includes the pump-on, pump-off button and the emergency stop button. There is also a temperature meter that allows you to preset the temperature. Once the preset temperature is reached, the pulling can begin. Additionally, the system has a pressure gauge display. Here is a rebar test sample with a diameter of 1 inch, 25 millimeters. First, secure the upper clamp. Then you can adjust beam up and down as needed. Then, secure the lower clamp. Please ensure that the tensile jaws are the correct size for the sample. For example, the system's current jaws have an internal diameter range of 13 to 26 millimeters, which is suitable for a sample with a 25 millimeter diameter. When clamping the sample, be sure it is fully seated within the tensile jaw, with at least 80% of the jaw's height engaged in pulling. We are now installing the Extensometer to measure elongation. Clamp the Extensometer directly on the sample. Performing a tensile test without an extensometer on your 1,000 kilonewtons or 2,000 kilonewtons universal testing machine. Replacing the tensile jaws on your 1,000 kilonewtons and 2,000 kilonewtons universal testing machine.